What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the best screen protector for your Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's get right to it. So I'm going to show you how to install my favorite type of screen protector. And I say it's the best because it's protected my phone probably hundreds of times, and they are also very inexpensive. So the tempered glass acts like another layer of glass on top of your screen so that when your phone falls, this tempered glass screen protector will take the impact and crack so that your screen does not crack. And I'm also going to show you how to protect your rear camera as well. All right, so for this video, we're going to be using this screen protector. This one, you can actually get it at Amazon. There's going to be a link down below. I think it's under $10. And it comes with 3 screen protectors and 3 rear camera glass protectors for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. You're also going to get just the basic stuff, the cleaning cloths, dust absorber stickers, and this plastic positioning tool so that you can easily place your screen protector on the phone. All right, so let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is we need to make sure that the screen is super clean and free of any dust. So let's go ahead and remove the cleaning cloths here. If your screen has maybe sticky dirt on it, you're going to want to use the alcohol prep pads. Since they are wet and they have alcohol, they will clean your screen completely. Okay, so just go ahead and wipe the alcohol prep pad all around the screen, up and down, until all dust and or dirt is removed. Okay, once you've done that, we can use this dry cleaning cloth to dry it up and clean the screen some more. Okay, after doing that, if you still have light particles of dust, you can use these dust absorber stickers. Place it anywhere that you see dust, and the dust will stick to this because it's a sticker, and it will remove any remaining dust. Once the screen is fully clean, we're going to go ahead and position this plastic piece above the screen here. And then once it's on there, give it one more look, make sure there's no dust. And once we're ready, we're going to go ahead and position the tempered glass above the phone like this. Go ahead and peel downwards on this piece here. And go ahead and position the tempered glass above the screen here. We can do the top side first or the bottom side first. And then once you see that it's nicely positioned, you can go ahead and drop it. There you go. Now you can just give it some pressure with your finger to help it out, help it remove any air bubbles. Go from one side of the screen to the other. Okay, once most of the screen protector is on there, you can remove the plastic positioning tool and then go ahead and finish it off by removing any remaining air bubbles. You can do this by with your finger. Just go ahead and press down on the air bubbles, squeezing them out the sides of the phone. Let me see. I think it's pretty much done. Let's go ahead and turn the screen black so we can see it better. And there you go. That looks pretty perfect. There are no air bubbles at all. Since the screen was super clean, there was no dust on it. As you can see, tempered glass is now on there perfectly. All right, so now let's go ahead and install the rear camera glass protector. So same thing, if you do have dirt or dust, you can use the alcohol prep pad. If not, you can just use the dry cleaning cloth, which usually does the job. And just make sure that all the dust, once again, is removed. You want your camera super clean so that it can take crisp, clear shots. All right, so once you see that it's super clean and you are ready, let's go ahead and peel off the plastic here from the cover. And then we're gonna go ahead and position it here above on the camera. And then just press down on it, give it some pressure on all the sides. It does have some adhesive, so it will stick to your phone. There you go. So now you have your cameras protected and your screen protected as well. So your iPhone 16 Pro Max is now invincible. All right, everyone, so that is how you install a tempered glass screen protector and rear camera glass protector on your Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. Go ahead and destroy that like button if this video helped you. Comment down below and let me know. And if you want an epic custom wooden phone case for your phone like these, check out the links down below in the description. And that's all for this one. I'll catch you in the next video. As always, peace.